Look at your hands for a second. Look at your skin, your eyes, your energy. Most people think aging happens slowly, but biologically, it happens in sudden drops. And right now, millions of people are aging 10 to 15 years faster than they should, not because of genetics, but because of what they do every single day. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple daily routine that flips your body out of aging mode and back into repair mode. And no, it's not exercise, supplements, or expensive treatments. Inside your body, every cell has one job: either build and repair or break down and survive. When you are young, your body spends most of its time in repair mode. That's why kids heal fast, sleep deep, and rarely feel tired. But modern life keeps you stuck in survival mode. Stress, sugar, late nights, screens, constant eating. All of these activate something called inflammation and cortisol. Those two signals tell your cells, don't repair, just survive. That's when wrinkles appear, energy drops, fat sticks, organs age, and diseases quietly form. This is why two people the same age can look 20 years apart. Your body has a master switch. When it's on, you heal, burn fat, regenerate cells, stay youthful. When it's off, you inflame, store fat, break down, age rapidly. That switch is controlled by three things: blood sugar, inflammation, nervous system stress. Fix these and your body goes into self-repair mode. Ignore them and you age fast no matter what you eat. Now, let me show you the routine that controls all three. Your first 60 minutes of the day decide how your body will behave for the next 24 hours. Here's what flips aging on. Sugar or juice first thing. Coffee on an empty stomach. Stress and phone scrolling. No protein. That tells your body we're in danger. Store fat, increase inflammation. Instead, the anti-aging morning is simple. Step 1. Drink water before anything else. This thickens blood less and lets cells flush waste. Step 2. Eat protein early. Eggs, fish, or nuts signal safety, so your body releases stored fat and stress. Step 3. Walk for 5 to 10 minutes. This pulls sugar out of the blood so it doesn't turn into aging damage. That alone turns off inflammation for the entire day. Aging isn't about how much you eat, it's about how often you eat. Every time you eat, insulin rises, inflammation rises, repair shuts off. Your body only heals when insulin is low. That's why constant snacking makes people puffy, tired, fat, old-looking. The rule is simple. Eat, then stop. Let the body empty. No grazing, no all-day snacks. Give your cells time to clean and rebuild. That activates something called autophagy, your body's internal anti-aging system. The most powerful anti-aging drug in the world is sleep. Not because of rest, but because that's when growth hormone is released. Growth hormone burns fat, repairs skin, regenerates organs, reverses aging. But it only releases when you stop eating early, insulin is low, and your body is calm. Late night food kills this hormone. That's why eating late makes people age faster, gain belly fat, wake up tired. Close the kitchen at night and you literally slow time inside your body. Your body wants to stay young. Your body is not broken. It just hasn't been given the signals it needs to repair itself. When you control blood sugar, lower inflammation, reduce stress, let digestion rest, your body naturally becomes leaner, younger, clearer, stronger. And that's the daily routine that slows aging. If this helped you, subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you 3 things that turn fat burning and healing on instantly.